Assalamu alaikum. My PC system running is very slow. The performance of this computer is very bad. Today in the video tell you one of the most powerful ways to speed up any computer without installing any third-party application in the computer. Please follow me. So let's start. Firstly, I come start menu and click on Windows, right button click, then go run. Here type clean mgr, then OK. Disk cleanup, OK. Check mark all item, then click OK. Delete all file, already disk cleanup. Second way, again click Windows, right button click, then go run. Type TEMP, then OK. Click on one folder, then Ctrl A, select all, Shift all delete. Yes. Some file and folder not delete. Okay, close. Third step, again go start, right button click, then go to run. Type %temp and %, then OK. Click on one folder, then Ctrl plus A, all select, Shift plus delete. Are you sure want to permanently delete 136 items? Yes. %, delete complete. Here some file and folder not delete. No problem. Again close. Fourth step, again go Windows, click right button of mouse, then go to run. Here type INET CPL.CPL, then OK. Go to connection, then go LAN setting, then tick mark automatically detect setting and not tick mark here, only automatically detect setting, click, then OK. click advance, click restore advanced setting, then click on reset, delete personal setting, check mark here, then reset. Close. Go to Windows, right button, click run, then type PREFETCH, then OK. Continue. Select all, shift plus delete, and yes, skip. Another step, go to start menu, click on Windows, then go task manager, go to startup, make sure all unwanted and unknown application disable from here except Microsoft application which is used for all time open. It is not automatically open without my permission. When I will give permission, then open this application. Without my permission, not open this application. Already my unwanted and unknown application is disabled. You click right button here of mouse and click enable and disable. Okay, all step completed, then restart your computer. I hope your computer will be very fast. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you everyone.